again, and I'm here to mention one of my favorite things to use in gardens, and that is using non-living materials. You see, when you use those kinds of materials, you don't have to water, you don't have to worry about maintenance, they last for a long time, and you mix them with your plants, oh, really nice. So, one of my favorites that I'd like to tell you about is stone. And I like stone because it comes in so many different textures, sizes, little stuff, bigger stuff, rocks, big rocks, boulders, even stuff that isn't real. So, how do you make stone into that must-have material for your garden? First, you check out all the possibilities.
What's a girl to wear?
For fun, visit your local building supply store to see samples of rock and, oh, so much more. So long as it isn't bonded together, most loose forms of rock, whether they are tiny sand grains, gravel, or slabs, are great for permeable paving. And the reason permeable paving is water-wise is because rain or irrigation runoff can filter through the layer and go back down into the soil where it can be reused instead of washing off and being lost, or even worse, creating gullies and erosion. Here's just a sampling of ideas you can use to create both practical and decorative effects using different kinds of stone in your garden. Use flagstone, pavers, bricks, flat rock, gravel, and so much more to create a meandering path. Pavers come in so many forms, colors, and textures. Pave an easy care floor for dining or entertaining. Or go vertical with a wall. Then add character to your wall by using gaps for slotting in decorative plants. Or use an amazing rock like this as a focal point. If you have lots of stones, stack it up and wrap it with wire for a really cool rock wall. Rocks, stone, gravel, and decomposed granite are pet-friendly, and they're easy to maintain. Rock-type materials can also be cast into animals, as these stepping stones show. Use different-sized rocks for a realistic riverbed. It can even become useful for drainage. Create a magical place of your own out of stone. Some rocks may be just a little too big for your yard. Mix and match different kinds of stone-based materials with each other for pattern, color, and textural effects. Or check out some preformed blocks and veneers. You can also add living materials into the mix to create your own artistic design. And when you're all done, use stone to step into a well-earned spot to sit and relax in. What ideas do these examples spark in your imagination that would make your garden simply gorgeous? Stone makes a great flooring. Use it in little pieces like gravel, decomposed granite or sand, big pieces like rock, chunks, or slabs. Use it for driveways, patios, pathways. You can even build your own yellow brick road. Another thing you can do is save money by recycling materials that you have in your yard. Stone materials like broken up concrete or broken curbing that you have to pay to get rid of otherwise, or stones, rocks that you can find in your own backyard. You can mix and match stones with different kinds of living materials or even non-living materials and come up with a lovely garden. Soften it with a little green, a little color, and you can have just the kind of garden you want. The only thing that's going to limit you is your own imagination.
Bye-bye.